Hi, and welcome to COM 336 Communication and Organizations. It's Dr. Spates here, and I'm just giving you this new checklist for our new unit. We are now in Unit 2, and I want to give you a few reminders and things to make sure that you are on track with all of your submissions. Let's take a look. The first thing I want to remind you is to make sure that you read chapters 5 through 8 of our course textbook. Again, the chapters are fairly average in their length. They're not super long, and the content is really good. So read and take good notes on that. I've changed it up a little bit, and I've replaced the chapter outlines with some chapter slides to make it a little bit more visually appealing as you take your notes and prepare for the exam. I also have a new professional assignment. This is professional assignment number 2. So you want to check the unit folder. There is the interview is the name of this assignment, and all of you will be interviewing for positions at Spates Industries. And so that information is available to you in the Unit 2 folder. There will be a video in there, and there's also some extra information to help you prepare, but you'll be applying for positions at Spates Industries, and the quality of your submissions will decide whether or not you are hired or rejected. Exam 2 is also available. You do not have to wait until the end of the unit to take it this time. It is available and ready for you to take whenever you would like. I'm trying my best to make sure that this class is asynchronous so that you're not waiting in real time as if you would in a seated course. So those of you who are traveling and have other plans can go ahead and do those things. I am completely in support of you submitting or completing things early, and we can take care of things together, but we'll just try our best to avoid submitting anything late or after the time has passed. Finally, there's a space available for you to ask questions. A lot of you have been on it and you've emailed me your questions, but some of you may have the exact same question as some of your peers. And so I've created a space in our discussion board for you to ask questions so that everyone can see my answers at the same time. And that may prevent some of you from having to wait to hear back from me in an email, although I'm trying my best to get back with you as quickly as possible. But if there are some questions that you would like to ask me and me only, please feel free to email me at any time. We can also set up an appointment and talk via Zoom conference, where I will set up a special private conference for us to talk via phone or computer. So that is always available to you, and I just want to make sure that everyone knows that I am here to support you as much as possible, and I hope you're enjoying the content of the course. I look forward to seeing all of you in Unit 3, where again we'll be moving towards the end and closer to your final projects, and I'm looking forward to seeing them. Have a great unit.